What's up, everybody? It's Tony, aka Natural Boss, back with another video. If you are not already a subscriber, I don't know what you're waiting for. I'm just gonna wait right now for you to go on and subscribe. Okay, and if you are already a subscriber, if you watch my videos before, welcome back to my channel. In this video, you guys already know what I'm going to be doing, so I'm not going to go into a long introduction. So I received this Impulse Professional Flat Iron from a company called Duval, and they contacted me and they just wanted to send this to me as PR. So this is not a sponsored video. All my opinions on this flat iron will be my own. I was looking for a flat iron, so this was like literally right on time. So yeah, it's just a regular flat iron. I don't know if there's anything special about it or not, and I haven't really owned a flat iron of my own for a long time because I really don't flat iron my hair. Oh, and for this flat iron, I will have some information on a discount in the description if you're interested. And please note, their price for this flat iron is very high. It's like $200 and something or something like that. The discount is like 75% off, which brings it back down to what it should have costed in the first place. So just keep that in mind. But anyway, let's get this party started. So I washed and deep conditioned my hair the night before, and then in the morning I let it air dry overnight, and then in the morning I applied some heat protector, and then I blow dried my hair. And the point of blow drying, it wasn't to get it straight, it was really just to make sure my hair was completely dry. And so now I'm going to section it in a small piece and make sure that it's completely detangled, because I will be using the comb chase method. The comb chase method is just a way to have less frizz, and so that you hopefully only have to use one pass. You're gonna notice my hair probably could use another pass, but I wasn't trying to get it bone straight. I was just kind of like trying to straighten it just out of curiosity to see how long it was, and then so I can do a better job of trimming it. See, that's really not that straight. So this flat iron that I'm using, it has 5 settings: 270, 320, 360, 410, and 450. And I am using the 360 setting, and it's not really getting my hair straight. I don't know if it's the flat iron, or is it because my hair was just so moisturized, and because the products I use, it is just fluffy. But I'm thinking if I really wanted my hair silkier, I probably just should have went on ahead and went old school and used some grease, or used maybe some better products like the Design Essentials products that are actually made for a silk press. But I really didn't care if it was that silky, because I'm not just trying to like go anywhere or anything. I'm really just trying to see what my hair looks like straight. So I did 2 passes on that piece, but I will not be doing 2 passes on any of my hair going forward. I don't know if I said this earlier, but I haven't flat ironed my own hair like probably in 15 years. The last time I flat ironed my own hair, I had a relaxer, and that was a long time ago. I've gotten my hair flat ironed probably like on average once a year since I've been natural for the last like 10 years, but I always had it professionally done. I know how to flat iron because I flat iron other people's hair, but when I do my own hair, it's always awkward, really, with any style. Like I can braid other people's hair, but I can't braid my own. So you'll probably notice some of the awkwardness while I'm trying to do my hair. So I'm just speeding up the video a little bit because this video is going to drag forever if I kept it at normal speed. But anyway, you'll notice that I flashed up there some Intense Hydrating Oil. That's also from the Pantene Gold series, the same product line that I use the heat protector from. And I'll put this information in the description. But my hair was just looking dry. My hair is always dry, so I really needed something. Like I said, I should have probably just used some grease, but I didn't have any, so I'm just using what I have. So the back of my hair is my favorite part of my hair. It's actually the healthiest part of my hair. You can clearly see where the color starts, and that's where my hair is the driest. And so I'll be glad when that just grows off. I should probably just cut it off, but nah, I'm not going to. Okay, I'm done. That probably took me maybe about 45 minutes. And so this is the finished product. And as you see, my hair is not bone straight. I did not want to get it bone straight. For one, I kind of like, when my hair is straight, I actually kind of like some volume to it. And number two, of course, as you guys know, I did not want to risk damaging my hair at all. However, as far as this Duval flat iron, I had it on 360, and to me 360 still, even though I wasn't doing small pieces and everything, to me 360 should have got it straighter than this. So if I really wanted it to be really bone silky straight, I don't know if this flat iron would have been able to do that. I don't know. Or maybe it's not the flat iron, maybe it's the products I use. Maybe my hair was just too overly moisturized and it's too fluffy now. But anyway, so I like it. And then it's also a good way for me to be able to see how damaged my hair actually really is. I did trim it a little. I didn't go overboard on the trimming yet. I was just trying to see, because you know when you trim your hair in its natural state, you can't really see the damage as good. Well, I can't anyway. And some of those ends were just so scrabbly that I couldn't even hardly comb through them. So I just went ahead and cut those off. So this is what my hair looks like. I'm gonna definitely keep this for a while because it just took me so long to do this. It really, like I said, it's really not that straight. I mean, I probably almost could have got it this straight by blow drying it, but it's straight enough and it's as straight as I wanted it to be, because I'm not really trying to go anywhere, do anything with it. I just was doing this kind of out of curiosity. So my hair, it's just, I guess this is my waist right here. It's just a little bit above, it's not quite waist length yet. So hopefully I'll be able to get there within, I'm trying to get there by the end of the year. I don't know if that will be possible, especially with me trimming it a lot. But I am taking some supplements now. I'll tell you guys more about that in another video. But yeah, so here it is. Flat iron hair. It's not a silk press. It's just flat iron hair. I'm just putting some heat in it just to get it a little bit straight. So as you guys probably could guess, my next video is going to be seeing if my hair reverts back. So stay tuned for that. If you like this video, thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber, as I said earlier, just go on and subscribe. Click on the notifications button so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video, and I will see you in the next one.